The movers.
What's up, guys? Welcome on Pre. It's your girl with another video. Don't forget to tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, to tell a friend, come over to Everything Teash. Oh, now it's time for me to do the bathroom. It's 4 a.m. now. I'm only giving myself until 5. I'm tired. Alright, so it's 5 a.m. on the dot. So this is the last thing I'm doing. Good morning. My alarm went off at 8 o'clock. I laid there till 8:40. The movers just called me. They're gonna be here at 9 o'clock on the dot or at 9:17. No condo, say your name at the front. You can stay if you want. It's been one of those nights. The movers are here. I don't know, it's kind of funny because why does the truck look like that? Same as the first time we did it. But I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be wrong, so you can break my heart. One thing about you gonna hang up on me, huh?
Oh my bad.
A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California.
What's up, guys? Okay, so I'm at my new place right now, but I'm about to head back over to my old place because I'm returning my key tomorrow. Somebody wants to buy my clear table, dinner table that you guys have seen in other videos. Since I've moved, so today's Friday, I moved last Saturday. So I've been here for 6 days, but has been going back and forth to my old apartment. And then I'm going to go sell hopefully I can sell my washer and dryer. Yeah, this is a week update. See, some of my things are behind me, they're downstairs. Oh, I just said downstairs. So I'll take you guys with me to finish cleaning out my apartment, painting over some stuff, you know, so on and so forth. All right, y'all, it is currently 10:08. Then people complain about this washer and dryer, so that's annoying. The person that wanted the dining room table, she's also being annoying. I finally budged and said, yeah, I'll come deliver it to you because it was only 25 minutes away. But that means the price is going up $100. She's the one that even offered to give that. So I said, okay. So she said her husband is at work. She doesn't drive. She's basically a stay-at-home, whatever. She doesn't know how to do any of that stuff. Let me show you guys what's in here. I want to vacuum my room. Going to wipe out the cabinets. They're already empty. My bedroom. I just need to vacuum. That's a part of the table. That's where my vanity was. So I'm going to do a carpet cleaning thing. Carpet cleaning down there too. Closet's empty. Living room. There goes the washer, well, the dryer. But I feel like those things, that's still a lot to get in my car. All of these cabinets are empty. Right, so I need to go to Walmart, buy some things because my spices got on top of them. I don't know what up there look like. Over here is fine. My bathroom. I just need to clean out the tub. This, don't know how to fix that. So not too much, but some help would have been nice. Those things gotta go in my car. Let's get back to it. I cannot unscrew that. I know there was no washer and dryer when I got here. I bought that and put it in there, but so that means those cords had to belong to me. Them things been on there for 3 years. So tell me why I forgot that I cut the energy off for today, Friday, and they were supposed to cut it off at any time. So it's now 10:34. So I was like, bro, let me get all these things to my car, and in case they cut it off, I come back in the morning and then I vacuum. But it's about to get hot in here if they cut it off. When it hits midnight, I think the energy is gonna cut off. So I'm about to be on it.
To all the ladies in the place with style and grace, allow me to lace these lyrical douches in your bushes. Who rock grooves and make moves with all the mommies. The back of the club, sipping my wet is where you find me. The back of the club, macking holes, my crew.
Not too much on the tub. I've been throwing stuff in there. This is on my Amazon storefront.
You got to creep with, sneak with, keep the ever secret. Why not? Why blow up my spot? We both got hot. Now check it. I got more.
Sorry, that's okay. I'll take some tea. We're gonna now go put this dry decks thing in the wall. This is what it looks like.
Jump in the rover and come over. Tell your friend jump in the GS3. I got the finals by the tree.
I hear you talking about we a lot. Oh, you speak French now.
Asian. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna let it dry. This is what the place looks like now.